The gospel today speaks to us about isang demonyo pinipe ang isang tao. Muted this person. No? Ang demonyo can mute us. Mute, di ba? Ayaw magsalita, di ba? Ayaw magpasalamat, ayaw humingi ng sorry, ayaw mag-I love you, pinatatahimik tayo, ayaw magsabi ng mabuting balita. Mute. No? Pinatatahimik tayo. No? We are made to be, we are muted, or sige, maingay ka, mag-ingay ka na mag-ingay, di ba? You fake, magkalat ka ng masamang balita, di ba? Puros kasamaan, di ba? So both extremes, we are muted, or we are made to be very loud, no? Boisterous at mayabang. No? So this is the gospel today. We are muted in many ways, not just by our words, no? But by our action, by our inaction. No? Today we have a few students from our school, San Antonio School, St. Anthony's School, and we thank God for, we welcome 11 students who will become altar servers. They were not muted, they were asked to act upon service, doing good, no? In this particular ministry of serving, altar serving, no? Salamat. There are many opportunities for us not to act, no? To act or not to act, to speak or not to speak, to do just words, no action. But today we welcome our altar servers of St. Anthony School who are called to this kind of service. We too are asked to show action. We too are asked to be a good witness. And we thank God as we welcome the new volunteers, the new servers of the altar service. Salamat sa Diyos sa pagtugon sa hamon na to. Gabayan tayo ng pagmamahal ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo.